How to deposit crypto on Bybit. There are many ways to deposit crypto on Bybit. You can receive crypto from someone, or you can deposit and buy crypto with cash. In order to do either of those, launch the Bybit app, and this is the option that you will be able to see, where you want to also make sure that you're signed in. From the bottom right, go to the assets icon and tap on it. Over here you can see the deposit option, so make sure to tap on deposit. Now as you can see, as I said, you can actually deposit by already have crypto. You can deposit directly using other wallets. Otherwise, you can also choose to buy cryptocurrency using your fiat currency. So select the crypto that you wish to buy right here. You can also do P2P trading for this. Now let's say I want to buy 1000 rupees on my currency worth of cryptocurrency. Select that and then tap the next option. Here I can select P2P trading and select my payment method. So make sure to enter your payment method right here. And once done, you will be able to set your order and fund your account using cryptocurrency. So that's all it takes for us to deposit crypto on Bybit. I hope the video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.